Today you will get an update from the garden and greenhouse, so stay tuned. Hi everybody, this is Andreas from Offgrid Sweden. If you haven't been here before, I want to welcome you for the first time. On this channel I show you things that we do on the homestead, tips and tricks, reviews, stuff related to homesteading and off-grid living, and also videos like this one. If you haven't subscribed, please do so if you like the content, and you will get notified on new content. Now back to the topic of this video. Well, the autumn is here and the temperature is dropping. I've decided that my growing season is done for this year. I know I could be growing a few vegetables for a couple of more weeks, but instead I will get the raised beds and the greenhouse ready for next season. This is the first video I shoot with a GoPro 7 Black, and I think this will be my go-to camera when filming in the greenhouse. So much easier and it's ridiculously stable. I heard that some people have had some problems with their new GoPros, but not me. Everything is working great here. The only vegetables I got left are some carrots, beets and a few small zucchinis. When I have cleared all the raised beds, I will move the top of them so I can create even more raised beds upon the wood chips. Next week I think we might have a look at alternative ways to cook if the power is gone, so don't miss that. That's it for this episode. I'll talk to you down in the comments. Now I'm headed towards the homestead in the woods. Have an awesome weekend.
If you haven't subscribed already, do so by clicking down there on the Swedish flag. And then you can also click on the little bell icon up there, and then you'll get notified when I put up new videos. And if you want to watch another video, I got one over there for you.